Ako si Adrian Biel Malvez, Chairman President of A5 Transport Service Corporation. Pinaka-main na magagawa po talaga ng modernized jeep is yung pagiging komportable ng mga pasahero pag nakasakay na sila doon. Yung safety.
I just want to assure the A5 Transport, the relationship between us and your corporation is the beginning. We will be here until get another batch of units from us.
Pinili ko yung photo dahil po sa magandang serbisyo and napakadaling kausap talaga ng photo. Pag-asenso ng A5 Transport Service Corporation ay kaya-kaya sa photon.